Today, I'm going to share with you my 8-year journey as a mobile game developer. How I went from having no coding skills to chasing passive income dreams to now having financial freedom by building competitive mobile games. I'll also share some valuable lessons and what it really takes to succeed in the game development world. And by the end of this video, I have a special gift for all of you looking to break into the industry, my free ebook, which can help you start generating money from simple mobile games. So let's dive in. When I first got into game development, I was incredibly naive. I thought making mobile games would be an easy source of passive income. I mean, you just create a game, you put it out there and people play it, right? Sounds simple enough. I quickly realized how wrong I was. I didn't know how to code, so I found myself looking for cheap developers. And let me tell you, that was a recipe for disaster. Trying to outsource the entire process on a tight budget didn't lead to good results. I wasted time, money, and energy. One of the biggest lessons I learned early on was the importance of proper research. Not just into the gaming market, but also into the tools, platforms, and people that I was working with. If you're serious about creating a successful game, you need to understand your audience, what games are already out there, and also how you can stand out. Taking the time to dig deep into the mobile gaming market really helped me narrow my focus and find a niche that I was passionate about. I also began to realize that this isn't just a hobby, it's a business. And like any other business, success doesn't happen by chance. It takes planning, effort, and strategic decisions. Another huge shift in my journey was learning to surround myself by people that were a lot smarter than me. In the beginning, I thought I could figure out everything on my own. But the reality is the game development community is filled with incredibly talented people that have already walked the path you're starting. Building good relationships with experienced developers changed everything for me. Not only did I learn faster, but I also got better results. If you want to succeed in this industry, don't be afraid of learning from people that have already been there before you. As I gained more experience, I realized I needed to narrow my focus. In the beginning, I was trying to create all sorts of games, but that scattergun approach doesn't work. What worked for me was honing in on a specific niche, competitive mobile games. By focusing on this niche, particularly games on platforms like Skillz, I was able to find something that aligned with my own competitive nature. It gave me a clear direction and also allowed me to refine my skills in that particular genre. The moment I stopped trying to be everything to everyone, I started seeing real financial success. I used to think game development was a shortcut to passive income, but the truth is it's a business like anything else. You need to invest time, money, and effort wisely. You need to test, iterate, and market your game just like any other product. Once I started treating game development like a serious business, everything changed. I learned to love the process, the design, development, the collaboration, and the marketing. And the funny thing is, when you love the process, success becomes that much sweeter. Fast forward to today, and game development has completely changed my life. I now get to travel the world, work remotely from anywhere, and most importantly, do what I love. Meeting other game developers, collaborating, and constantly learning is the most rewarding part of this journey. I won't lie, this industry is hard. It's competitive, it's fast-paced, and you need to have thick skin to succeed. But at the same time, it's one of the most rewarding things I have ever done. If you love the process and you're willing to put in the work, game development can open up a world of opportunities. If you're thinking about getting into game development, or maybe you're already in the early stages, I've put together a free ebook that breaks down everything I've learned about generating money from simple mobile games. Whether you're a beginner or you've already started, this guide will give you a clear roadmap. So if you want to avoid all the mistakes that I made and fast track your journey to financial freedom, then grab your free copy by clicking on the link below. I hope my story inspired you to take the leap, and remember, love the process, because that's where the magic happens. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't done already, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.